Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft Realms not loading. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to open a browser, and then you need to write Minecraft server status here, and then click on down detector here and look if there is no reports that servers is down. If there is a lot of reports like this spike here, nothing you can do about it. You just need to wait until the servers is fixed. But if it's not, I will show you what you need to do here. First of all, what is suggested to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. Then what you need to do here is to write and search view network connections. Then find your internet connection, right click on it, properties, Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4 apply the changes, and then proceed with other step. Other step is open up CMD. Be sure to open as admin, right click, run as admin, and then here you need to put few commands. First command is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, you can close this. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset now. Your computer will restart, and if you use Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you use Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. And that's pretty much it. So if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.